Hello everybody, Sue here. Well, today's challenge is going to be a fruity malt loaf made in a bread maker. I'll pop the quantities in the notes, but first we go in with the yeast. We then follow with 500 grams of strong white flour. And next in goes some salt and some sugar. Now we keep that separate from the yeast to stop a reaction because the salt makes the yeast not work. And then in we go with our water, followed by 3 tablespoons of very sticky malt extract. The only other ingredient are some sultanas, and we'll cover that in a moment. Place the bowl in your bread maker. Now we put the sultanas in the dispenser. Now if you haven't got a dispenser, you just need to add the sultanas about halfway through the baking. This is the fun part, trying to work out how to program it. I know I need it on bake, and I also know I need the raisin setting, so wish me luck.
Bake raisin.
As you can see,
Size,
it took a while.
Medium. We go for a light crust and we just push start and fingers crossed.
When your beeper sounds, carefully remove the bread from the machine. Carefully remove your bread from the tin. I find a good shake normally does it. And place your bread on the cooling tray, as you can see I've done here. Okay, now it's time to cut it. Look at that. I'm actually pleased with that. If you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you again next time.